dessert. So we have the hemp seed. The hemp seed, 90% protein. We're gonna make it nice and sweet on a certain level. We're gonna drain the liquid. We soak the hemp seed for 12 hours as well. So we're gonna drain the liquid. We're gonna drain it off right into our container right here. And we use some special containers to soak them in, so you can just drain just like this. Okay. And whatever fall right into my strainer. So with the hemp seed, we're gonna mix it with a jam. We're gonna mix it with a jam and add a fruit to it, so we have a nice dessert. So we have a strawberry jam. Ooh. Ready. Dates and strawberry. A strawberry date jam is ready. And the hemp seed, we're not gonna grind them, we're not gonna process them or anything like that. We wanna keep them whole. So we're gonna get our small little mixing bowl here for the hemp seeds. Right. Bowls are always ready in our kitchen here. And we're gonna get the strawberry jam out of the fridge. We have our strawberry jam ready. Ready, right in a container, flat container, right there. The flat one. Yeah, the flat one is jamming. So we have it. So we're gonna put our hemp seed. We put in 1 cup of hemp seed. Soaked hemp seed, soaked for 12 hours. And we have our strawberry date jam.
Strawberry dates.
Strawberry
jam.
and dates, right.
Okay.
So we're going to go ahead and get our mixing spoon, and we're gonna put 1/2 cup of the strawberry date jam with the hemp seed, just like this. And Verona's gonna go back into the fridge and reach for something white for us. And you know what we're talking about. The creme de la creme. The coconut cream. We're gonna cream it.
Okay.
Drizzle some cream.
Yeah.
Slow.
Slow.
Use a slow grind. Ooh, yes. Good. Right there.
Yes, the right amount.
The perfect amount. That's good, right there. So we have our hemp coconut strawberry dessert. Yes. And this fresh delicacy, we're gonna serve it to our guests.
Oh.
Just like this, in our little cups, our little, our little bowl, just like
With the
this.
Jamaican flavor.
The Jamaican flavor, the Jamaican vibe in this. The Jamaican accent is coconut cream.
Oh.
Yes, you can't get no more Jamaican than that. The creme de la creme. No other cream in the world come close. No other cream in the world come close. So we have 3 eaters in the house. So we're setting up our 3 portions of dessert. Yes. So this is how we do it. We have our salad. We have our dessert right here. And we have our Brazilian meatballs.
Okay.
So the Brazilian meatballs, the dessert, we're gonna put them so.
Yes.
And so. So we have the 4 corners, so and so. We have the crown, so and so. And we have, we have the horns, so and so. So family, this is how we do it.
This is how we do it.
At the Sunfired Culinary Institute, this is our welcome feast.
Yes.
Welcome, Stacia. Can you image what else is about to come based on this?
Gimme Raw.
And what a W?
Oh, wholesome.
Wholesome. So
We do the
right,
right.
yes,
Awaken.
and
Wholesome.
Wow, all from the Sunfired Stoveless Kitchen.
Yeah.
So call me Dr. Stoveless.
Dr. Stoveless.
All right. So dinner is ready. Welcome home. Now put your face right into the plate. Take a dive.
Yeah.
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 Yes. Now you can burn. Love you, family.
Love you.
Thanks for joining us. Give me raw.
Give me raw. One love. Bless.